अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू डिसेंट एकेडमी। प्यारा शागिर्दो, अॼु असां यूनिट 2 अंडरस्टैंडिंग फिज़िकल वेलबींग पढ़ंदासीं। हिन जो सब यूनिट आहे अ ड्रीम दैट ब्रॉट अ बिग चेंज। ठीकु आहे, हिकु ख्वाब जी वॾी तब्दीली आंदी। सो 2.1 में असां थोरो रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन बि कंदासीं, प्री रीडिंग बि कंदासीं। पहिरियों क्वेश्चन असांखे हिते मिलियल आहे, डू यू एवर ड्रीम? छा तव्हां कॾहिं ख्वाब ॾिसो था? हा। डू यू रिमेंबर ऑल योर ड्रीम्स? छा तव्हां पंहिंजे सभिनी ख्वाबनि खे यादि बि करे कयो था? ईअं आहे? मां त सम्झां थो ईअं आहे। काफ़ी माण्हुनि खे न इहे ॻाल्हियूं यादि बि ईंदियूं आहिनि सुबुह ताईं। ठीकु आहे। वुड यू लाइक टू शेयर वन ऑफ योर ड्रीम्स? छा तव्हां पंहिंजी का हिकु ख्वाब कंहिं सां शेयर करणु या कंहिं सां वंडणु पसंदि कंदव? द टाइटल ऑफ द टेक्स्ट दैट यू आर अबाउट टू रीड इज़ अ ड्रीम दैट ब्रॉट अ बिग चेंज। ठीकु आहे। तो हिन सबक जेको उनवान तव्हां पढ़ण वारा आहियो आहे अ ड्रीम दैट ब्रॉट अ बिग चेंज। what do you think the person saw in the dream? ओके, हाणे रीडिंग कयूं। पहिरियां सभ खां पहिरियां रीडिंग टेक्स्ट। ठीकु आहे। अ ड्रीम दैट ब्रॉट अ बिग चेंज। कमाल was standing at the railway station. All his classmates were getting on the train. They were laughing and waving at him as the train left the station. Kamal waved back at them, but he was crying. The doctor at the school had said that Kamal was weak and unhealthy. He should not be allowed to go to Lahore, Islamabad and marry with his classmates. What is wrong with me? He had asked the doctor. You are weak, you will not be able to walk long distances and climb hills, replied the doctor. But I always walk to school, said Kamal. Yes, said the doctor, but your house is near the school. Besides, you have a bad cough and sometimes you have fever. How can you walk long distances and carry your bags and other things when you are not well? But why am I weak and sick? Why are all the other boys well? Asked Kamal. Your friends Yusuf and Ejaz are also not healthy. They will also not be allowed to go, said the doctor. Please tell me what I should do to be well and healthy, said Kamal. You should take proper food. You should do physical exercise. You should sleep early and wake up early. You should not eat too many sweets or pan or chalia. Instead, you should eat fruits and vegetables. You should also take a bath daily and wash your hands before every meal. Also wash the fruits and vegetables before you eat them, said the doctor. Please let me go to Marie. I will do what you tell me. Please let me go. Please, 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 cried Kamal. Kamal, wake up. Why are you crying? Did you have a bad dream? Kamal's mother was shaking him. Kamal opened his eyes and looked at his mother. Then he quickly got out of the bed and said, Mother, I will eat whatever food you give me. I know that you always tell me to eat proper food, but I never listen to you. From today, I will have everything: milk, fish, meat, vegetables, and fruits because I want to be healthy. I will not eat too many sweets and pan and chalia because these things make us sick and unhealthy. I am happy to hear this, said his mother. Go brush your teeth, wash your hands and face, then come and have breakfast. Yes, mother, I will also take a bath every day before going to bed because if we remain clean, we will not fall sick, said Kamal. And I will also play outside with my friends after I finish my homework because physical exercise is good for health, mother said. Yes, my son, she said, and continued Kamal. I will not watch too much television but will go to bed early because I want to be fresh and active when I wake up in the morning for school. Kamal's mother was very surprised when she heard him say all these things. She did not know what had brought about this change, but she was very happy that he was now going to change his lifestyle in order to become a strong and healthy boy. प्यारा शागिर्दो, आज असां रीडिंग टेक्स्ट कंप्लीट करे चुका हूँ. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में असां वर्डन मुतलिक़ कुछ ॼाण हासिल कंदासीं, वर्ड सिखंदासीं. ठीकु आहे. वर्डन खां बाद में असां एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1 हल कंदासीं. मूंखे उमेद आहे त हीउ मुंहिंजो जेको लेक्चर आहे तव्हांखे ज़रूरु पसंदि ईंदो हूंदो. जेकॾहिं पसंदि अचे त मुंहिंजे चैनल खे सब्सक्राइब ऐं लाइक बि ज़रूरु कंदा. थैंक यू सो मच.